All right, let's go. Welcome back. Welcome back. How y'all doing? I'm back with another video. Today, I want to show you guys what I predicted yesterday. If you remember, we did analysis on Crash 1000 and Boom 500. I expected the market to break out of the trend here on Crash 1000, and as I expected, currently the trade is running up. It is crazy right now. The momentum is crazy, guys. So it is almost there to my TP, and as you can see, the profit is running currently $920 after a couple of trades. I've been in loss. If you remember last week, I lost a couple of trades, and yeah, you can see this $920 profit right now. That almost covered up my loss from last week, and I am currently in net positive. As I told you guys, if you lose once and make once, that will be net positive for you, because the profit that you are targeting is at least 2 or 3 times more than the stop loss or the money that you are losing. So currently I am up more than 2 trades that I have lost from last week. So I am, to be honest, I'm happy right now, because it is, going in my direction. And you can see the chart here. It is beautiful. The momentum is beautiful. I'm expecting the market, to reach to this area, most probably to the TP. And yeah, I want to explain what really happened here, and I want to show you a couple of other charts also. We'll see if there is anything new, and we have also predicted Boom 500 also, right? So we'll see that, and we'll see other assets also. So let's start from this one, Crash 1000. We analyzed this yesterday. Please, if you didn't watch the video from yesterday, the video link will be up in the corner, on the top corner of this video. You can click there and go back, watch the video. All right, so let's go back in time. All right, let's remove these arrows that I put yesterday. Yeah, yesterday the market was at this area. If you remember, it already swept this liquidity area. So what I did was, I told you guys this area is key area, right? The time frame, as you can see, it is 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, any type of reversal that you see in the chart is very important. You can see this reversal, the first one here, and market came back to the same exact level and bounced up with a great momentum. And third time, sellers tried to push below this area, but buyers stepped in at the same exact area, and the momentum was beautiful at that time, and price went way up like this. So after the market went up like this, there was a trend line. If you remember, I drew this trend line, and price, what happened was, the momentum in bullish market, or the force of the bulls, got exhausted at this level. So at this exact level, buyers lost the momentum. So sellers stepped in, and they tried to push the price down below this trend line. As soon as the market broke below this trend line, sellers took the momentum. All right, they pushed the price way back down to this level here. So as you can see, we have another retest at this exact level. By the way, you can change the chart to line chart as we discussed last time, so that you can see the image of the chart clearly. You can see first bounce here, second bounce here, third bounce almost at the same level, and we have fourth bounce over this area. So we can move this box area maybe up a little bit like this, so that those sorry about that, so that we can connect these reversals together, the first one, the second one, and third one, and fourth reversal here. So these all 4 reversals, they happened in this exact box area. So this box is key area for us. It is a very important area. So the fifth time price comes back to that area, you have to expect a bounce. You have to expect buyers stepping in into the market. But what really happened is, market makers pushed the price below the box area. As we have discussed this, you can consider this as a manipulation, or you can consider this as an opportunity for you. We are taking this as opportunity. If you remember, we used to cry about manipulation in Tarif, right? Manipulation always happens. I mean, you have to expect that price doesn't bounce up from support area always. Price doesn't get rejected from resistance area always. Sometimes price might push up the resistance or below the support, sweep all the stop losses, kill all the stop losses, all right, then come back up and push all the way up, like what happened here. So this area is what we call liquidity sweep area. There will be stop losses, a lot of stop losses will be killed, a lot of traders will be kicked out of trade at this exact area. So we can change the chart back to candlestick, Japanese candlestick, and you can zoom in, or maybe we can go down a little bit. We can change the time frame to 1 hour like this, so that you can see the clear image of the liquidity sweep. So you can see here below the rectangle we have a lot of candles. All these candles have been killing the stop losses. All the stop losses below this will be swept, all the traders will be killed. So as soon as all the traders get killed, especially those who have been buying at this area, because the area is support area, most traders will be putting their buy limit here, they'll be placing buy positions and keeping the stop loss just below this key reversal area, but all of them will be killed at this area, right? So as soon as all the traders gets kicked out of the trade, you see the momentum, right? Let's count the green candles. First green candle, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. You can see for 6 straight hours the market has been pushing up, no single spike. If you can see, there is no single spike visible on 1 hour time frame. You might see spikes in maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes or maybe 1 minute, but if you change the time frame to 1 hour, you don't see any spike, no single spike for 6 straight hours. That's what happens exactly when traders get kicked out of trade. As soon as traders get kicked out of the trade, or after liquidity sweep, there will be big momentum. So after this momentum, trade was exactly at this area, right? Yesterday, if you remember, the price was trying to bounce a little bit up after the liquidity sweep. So all we did was we changed our time frame to 4 hour, and we put trend line like this. We connected the high here. If you can see, this area is high of the structure. We have lower high, we have the first low, we have a lower low and lower low, right? So as soon as the market swept all these stop losses at this area, after hunting stop losses, price broke out of this trend line. So as you can see, as soon as it got broken, as soon as the trend line got broken, you can see the momentum in the market. You can count the green candles after the breakout, the first green candle, the second one, the third one, fourth and fifth. Currently we are on the sixth one. The sixth one looks like it's turning to be red, but we'll see what's going to happen. I have moved my stop loss above my entry, so even if the trade goes back down, I don't care, because I won't be in loss. In fact, I'll be in profit. We can put another support area here, since we have a rejection at this area. So maybe I can put stop loss just above this area. Let's drag my stop loss here. Currently I'm putting my stop loss just for one trade. I'll edit all of them later, but my stop loss will be there just below that green area, in case the trade goes back down. So I'll be in profit. Yeah, I won't lose any money. And you can see here we have first low, so I'm targeting that area because this area is key important area. We can go down to 1 hour time frame so that we can see the image clearly. So yeah, you can see here the reversal, so I'm targeting this area. There might be a reversal at this level, so I'm targeting this area. As soon as price reach there, I'll be out of the market. So if you tuned in yesterday, if you watched the video yesterday and you waited for the market to break out of the trend, like me, if you took a trade over there, congratulations, you have made money. Move your stop loss a little bit up, follow the market, secure some back. That's it. That's what exactly happened. If you are new, by the way, currently I'm not posting any signals on Telegram. I have seen some groups which are imitating my signals, my group. I'm not sharing any signal. Don't be scammed by anyone, okay? Someone has been someone yesterday I guess sent me a message saying that he got scammed by someone saying J Trading, but currently I don't have any channel. I have, but I'm not posting any signals on Telegram, so please just stay tuned on YouTube. I'll be posting explanations like this. You'll be learning a lot. Believe me. You can go through all the comments in my channel. You will see almost 90% of the comments are positive. People are learning analysis, people are learning price action. They are absolutely killing it. Some of them, I know some of my students, they have channel now, they are mentoring people. I'm so happy about that, so all I'll do is share my knowledge, share my experience. So yeah, I recommend you tune into my YouTube and learn price action, learn how to trade than being dependent to signal providers or mentors. Yeah, so now let's go to Boom 500. We have also predicted this yesterday, but there is nothing much happening here. On Crash Boom 500, there is nothing happening. I'm expecting the price to move a little bit up like this to this area and bounce back down to the trend. So if it goes back to this yellow area, maybe I might take a trade, or maybe I might take a trade at this exact trend area. Let's keep an eye on this chart. Let's check the others. Boom 1000, 4 hour time frame. There is currently nothing. I don't see any structure, okay. On Boom 300, something happened. As you can see, price got reversed, price got rejected from this green area. That was the resistance previously. Okay, yeah, there is nothing much. Let's wait maybe for the price to come back to this area or this area. That time we will decide either to buy or sell. It looks like we have a triangle here. Let me remove all these junks so that you can see the picture image clearly. As you can see, you can see this triangle going down, up, down, up, down. So we'll see what's going to happen. If it breaks out of this triangle, price might go down like this, or in the other side it might go up also. We'll see. There is Crash 300. As I told you last time, yeah, we have seen this price went down. All right, swept all the liquidity, killed us. Also our stop losses at this area, if you remember, at this green area. We got also killed, we got kicked out of the trade. But look at it, look the trade, look the price right now. Imagine we are in the trade, imagine we are still in the market, we'll be milking it. But it's all right, we are making money now. Let's go to Crash 500. You see, Crash 500 is also bouncing up after killing all the stop losses. Yeah, okay, that's it. So right now, I think currently we are understanding how the Deriv works. I hope they are not going to change the strategy. I hope they are not going to understand how we are trading, how we are taking the trades, and twist the algorithm so that this strategy doesn't work. But we'll keep going, we'll keep making money. I hope you are trading, all right? I hope you are making money before Deriv does something, especially to this liquidity sweep strategy. You have to understand how the brokers think, how the market makers think. They will always hand stop losses, so you have to keep that in mind. That's it. That's what we are using. That's the strategy that we are following right now. So yeah, there is nothing much today except the money that we are making. All right, if there is something new, I'll come back tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow. All right, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, share, anything help us with the algorithm. Okay, yeah, see you next time.